Hey there, home cooks! You've been cooking wrong your whole life, and I'm about to prove it. These are 20 cooking hacks that will blow your mind, save you tons of time, and make you fall in love with cooking all over again. Trust me, stick around till the end because number 17 might be the smartest burger trick you've ever seen. First up, let's peel garlic in 10 seconds. Smash the garlic bulb, toss the cloves into a jar, seal it, and shake like crazy. The peels come right off. No sticky fingers. Hack number 2, flip your toaster sideways. Want a quick grilled cheese? Lay your toaster on its side, pop the sandwich in, and toast away. Just keep a close eye on it. Next, grate cold butter. Struggling to mix cold butter into dough? Just use a cheese grater. It blends in evenly and quickly. No more chunky batter. Try frying eggs in onion rings. Cut a thick slice of onion, place it in your pan, and crack an egg into the center. Perfectly round eggs with a boost of flavor. Ever had a cutting board slip? Place a damp kitchen towel or paper towel under your board. It won't budge an inch, even when you're chopping fast. Freeze meat before slicing. Put your meat in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. It firms up just enough for clean, thin cuts. Handy for stir fries or sandwiches. Separate egg yolks with a bottle. Crack your eggs into a bowl, then grab an empty plastic bottle, squeeze it, hover over the yolk, and release. It'll suck it right up. Revive stale bread, sprinkle a little water over your bread, wrap it in foil, and pop it in the oven for a few minutes. Comes out soft and fresh, like magic. Reheat pizza without the sog. Place a mug of water next to your slice in the microwave. Keeps the crust from turning rubbery. Need to slice soft foods? Use unflavored dental floss. It slices cleanly without sticking or squishing. Melt chocolate evenly. When microwaving chocolate, place a metal spoon handle in the bowl. It helps distribute heat and keeps the chocolate from burning. Salt cucumbers before adding to salads. Let them sit salted for a few minutes. It draws out excess water so your salad stays crunchy, not soggy. Roll citrus before juicing. Roll lemons or limes on the counter with a bit of pressure before cutting. It softens them up and gives you way more juice. Use the pasta spoon hole to measure. That hole in the middle of your spaghetti server, it actually measures out a perfect single serving of dry pasta. No more guessing. Bake bacon instead of frying it. Lay your bacon on a foil-lined tray and bake it in the oven. Crisp, evenly cooked, and way less messy. Cook oatmeal with tea. Swap out water for brewed tea the next time you make oatmeal. It gives your breakfast a flavorful twist without extra sugar. Shape burgers with a mason jar lid. Line a jar lid with parchment, fill it with meat, and press it down. Perfect. Uniform patties every time. No sticking, no guessing. Freeze overripe bananas. Don't toss those brown bananas. Slice and freeze them for smoothies or blend them into healthy ice cream. Use ice to remove fat from soup. Wrap a few ice cubes in a paper towel and skim it across the top of your soup. The fat sticks to the cold towel and lifts right off. Freeze herbs in olive oil. Chop up fresh herbs, mix them with olive oil, and freeze in ice cube trays. Throw a cube into your pan for instant flavor when cooking. So, which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If even one of these made you go, wait, what? Hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more cooking hacks, tips, and no fuss food fun. Type mind blown if you learned something new today.